people, so today being a Sunday, this is a very different sort of video. I have my cute little niece with me, and as of yesterday she was there were these, see, these little souls are on my lap, if you can see them. I don't know where you can see them.
Can you see?
Yeah, there they are. And as of yesterday, Anviko was looking at these videos that we uploaded 2 years ago. So basically that's what she was, my son was 5 and she was 6 at that time. So Anviko, how did you feel looking at those videos?
It's actually nice. If you have watched that video, it's called When 5 years old take 5-year-old people take over YouTube. Actually, there's no people in it, but actually it brings back like when I was 2-3 years old or 5 or 4 years old.
Yeah.
And you like to see stuff and watch.
And this, yeah, and so someday when these little guys also grown up, we'll remember them as little baby rabbits are called kits, you know. So these little kits are with me. I'm in love with them, yeah, just in love with them. And this little guy, look at him, he looks like a small little black mouse, but it's so sweet. But thank you, Anviko, for looking after these rabbits so well. She really does an amazing job of being with them, and I feel if more people are animal lovers, this world will be a different place. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.